Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Derby Specialist. So a couple quick things on this unit. It's in here in the lot, just doing a quick little video on it. The customer, I guess, approved for us to go ahead and do some stuff on the body as far as like, I don't know if we're doing a spot seal or a full body reseal, but it is now 11:40 in the day. And I just wanted to show you how much water and condensation has leaked off this coach. And then of course it's dried up because it was a lot bigger first thing this morning. Same thing with this side here. Look at all the water and condensation right off the ground. So if you're not, checking all your seams and sealants, again, he hasn't finished doing this, but look at all this water is just sitting here resting, right? So, and the water drips there. Make sure that you're keeping up on all your sealants around all your windows, compartment doors, ladders, catches, latches, speakers, awnings, and so on, because we want to prevent water damage. What I originally was going to do this video on was that I guess it came in here for some wheel bearings and wheel bearing maintenance and maybe some brakes. But while it was here, we ended up putting on the newer style Dexter Easy Flex kit. The only thing that's changed on that is just the color of it. So this is, of course, the one with the thicker shackle links. And this is going to help reduce a lot of the G-forces, the shaking, vibration, and movement in the system. So you can see by the marks that we put on here, once we go ahead and we torque it, we go ahead and put like a indicator marker, we call it like a witness mark on there, so that we know, if anything gets moved or if it gets broken loose, we know that somebody's tampered with it. But anyways, just wanted to show you a quick video of that. And again, this one is a 22 MLE, and it's actually a I think it was April of 2022 that it was made. So just another quick little throw out. Make sure if you haven't joined our Grand Design RV owners in the RV shop for maintenance and repairs, that you do so. We're now at, I think, 38,500 or right at that. And so make sure you check out too all of our photo albums. We got photo albums. I think there's over probably 300 photo albums now. And we'll show you a lot of the tools, products, supplies, tips, tricks, things that we're doing and using. There is Amazon links and stuff in there, so you can actually go and buy those products if you like them. So if you're like a do-it-yourself guy or a gal, and then you can see like what products and stuff that we're using. So, and then of course all the issues that, whether it be a customer issue, like they've caused it, or a defect or a recall or bulletin or something that's just gone wrong, we've tried to share them and put them in there for you. So, all right, well, thanks so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. We'll be back with more videos for what's in the shop. Thanks again. This is Dustin.